Hello, welcome to my channel, and please join my channel as a member if you want to enjoy the exclusive member perks like member only video or member first video, and then exclusive right to my private repository. So over to my video for today. So the basic backdrop is that sometimes when we work on Blazor app by creation of a Blazor through the Visual Studio template, sometimes we find that we don't get the correct template because there are lots of templates in the past. So you may be having more than one SDK. You may be having .NET 7 SDK, 8 SDK, 9 SDK. So before the .NET 8 SDK, ASP.NET 8, we had a different kind of structure for Blazor Web App and WebAssembly and Server App. But nowadays it is all Blazor Web Apps. So it's better to know how to do it in command line interface, which I always prefer. So .NET New, but I keep on forgetting. So what I did is that I wrote a wrong command, .NET New Blazor image to video app interactivity server. So it came up with invalid options. Interactivity is not a valid option. So more details, you try .NET New Blazor H for help. So then what I did was, in the help menu, I got this, all of this detail, .NET New Blazor help, flag. So these are a lot of option. .NET New Blazor, there are options, and then template options are also there. So in the options, N stands for name for the output being created. So name of the output folder. If no name is specified, the name of the output directory is used. Okay, and the thing is location to place the generate output. It is not required most of the time, and you can these are forced. These are not very useful, but what I find useful is template options framework. Okay, so F flag or -- framework flag, and if you put .NET 8, it will force the target framework to .NET 8, and if you don't, if you omit the framework flag, it will by default force it to open in .NET, create in .NET 9 if .NET 9 SDK is installed. All right, so and the main thing is that interactivity. So that is the int flag or -- interactivity, none, server, and then WebAssembly and auto. So if I need to choose server, then I have to write a complete command like this. So that's where I wanted to show you how to write it. So here, suppose on this folder, I wanted to open it in terminal, and so if you remember Blazor. So guys, again I will create a new Blazor app, the test app again, but this time it will be interactivity is auto or none. If you don't put this interactivity flag, it will be none, no interactivity, or it will be WebAssembly. So let's create another one. .NET New Blazor and test app int auto. Let's see auto. So it is creating the auto mode. So you can see that the application is created over here, test app.solution, test app. Now this time there are two projects, test app.cs project and test app.client project. Okay, so they are two different projects in this case. So that's all I wanted to share with you. Thank you very much, and if you like my video, do share with your friends and join my channel as a member.